To do a laced running stitch, you're going to begin with the running stitch. Then with a different color of thread, you could do the same, but I like the contrast of two colors. Bring your needle up through the middle of the first stitch, just on the upper side of the stitch. Then we're going to weave through. So you're going to put your needle between the stitch and the fabric. So you're not going to be going through to the back side of the fabric. And you're going to pull it, but you're not going to pull it tight. You're going to leave this little bit of a loop here. So I'm going to just make it just a little bit smaller. But as you go work your way through, you're just going to leave a little bit of a loop, and it's going to create this fun lacy effect. Oops, see, I accidentally pulled that one tight. So just kind of loosen it up. And then with this last one, we're just going to put our needle down through the fabric on the upper side of that last stitch. And when we pull it through, we'll just leave a little bit of a loop, and then we'll be careful to hold that with our finger as we're tying off on the back so that we don't lose the loop. And that's how you make the laced running stitch.